లాస్ట్ కోశ ఆనందమయ కోశ. ఆనంద ప్రతిబింబ చుంబిత తను వృత్తిస్తమోజృంభిత స్యాదానందమయ ప్రియాదిగుణక స్వేష్టార్థలాభోదయ పుణ్యస్యానుభవే విభాతి కృతినామానందరూప స్వయం భూత్వా నందతి యత్ర సాధు తనుభృన్మాత్ర ప్రయత్నం వినా ఆనంద ప్రతిబింబ చుంబిత తను. The reflection of bliss touched by the body. The body which is of the reflection of bliss of Atma, Tamojrumbhita, which has grown from the avidya of tamas, vrittihi of its function, priyadika gunaha, which is having the priya, moda, pramoda. There are three different types of ananda: priyam, modam and pramodam. Priyadika gunaha, swa ishtardha labhodaya, when some success of physical or psychological nature happens, sweshtartha labhodaya anandamaya syat. That is the description of anandamayam. Krutinam punyasya anubhave. So this ananda comes as a result of experiencing the virtuous actions. Krutinam punyasya anubhave vibhati yatra tanubhrunmatra వినా ప్రయత్నం వినా స్వయమానందరూపం భూత్వా సాధు నందతి. సో వేర్ ఇన్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఎఫర్ట్, ప్రయత్నం వినా, వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఎఫర్ట్, స్వయం ఆనందరూపం, ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ బ్లిస్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఆనందమయ కోశ. సో that is the description of Anandamaya Kosa. So in this few points which we need to note here is, this is Anandasya Pratibhimbam. So we have seen Vijnanamaya Kosa is something like Chittasya Pratibhimbam. Chit, consciousness, reflection. Bliss, reflection. So these are the reflections we are seeing. Pratibhimba Rupaha, Pratibhimba Chumbita Tanuhu. So knowing that or understanding the nature of Anandamaya Kosa, Anandamaya Kosasya sushuptau spurtiratkata swapna jagarayorishaha dishta sandarsanadina ishta sandarsanadina. Sushuptau Anandamaya Kosasya utkata spurti. So in the deep sleep, this blissful body is prominently experienced. So in this there is no misery, non-mixed with any misery or pain. Complete ananda is experienced in that kind of. In swapna jagarayoho, during the dreaming and waking state, ishta sandarsanadina, when we see the things which we like or we get in contact with them, adi, so ishta sandarsana adi, or talking about them or thinking about them, in this kind of things, bhoga ishat. So during that enjoyment as well, a little of this Anandamaya Kosa comes into the experience, but the Anandamaya Kosa experience is fully comes into the picture only when in the deep sleep, dreamless deep sleep, without any touch of misery. Utkataha, so utkata, spurtir utkata. So having understood this Anandamaya Kosa, నైవా ఆనందమయ పరాత్మ సోపాధికత్వాత్ ప్రకృతేర్వికారాత్ కార్యత్వహేతో సుకృతక్రియాయ వికారసంఘాత సమాహితత్వాత్. అయం దిస్ ఆనందమయ, దిస్ stilch which is of Anandamaya Kosha, Sopadhikatvat, it is also dependent on the reflection, Upadhi, so it is having a dependency. Prakrutehe Vikarat, it is having transformation, it is not constant. So in the Prakrutehe Vikarat, Sukruta Kriyayaha Karyatva Heto, this is encouraging the individual to do the Sukruta Kriya, good Punya Karmas, so that experience of results of Punya Karmas is Ananda. Sukruta Kriyaha Karyatva Hetoho Vikara Sanghata Samahitatvat. So it is having limbs and which are limbs like Priya, Moda and Pramoda. These three different types of Ananda. Samahitatvat Paratma Naiva. So that is the conclusion. So even this layer of existence, which is the subtlest of existence, which is filled with Ananda, which is well experienced in the deep sleep state, is not the self. Panchanamapi koshanam nishedhe yuktitah krute tannishedhavadhik sakshi bodharupo vasishyate. Panchanamapi koshanam, of these 5 layers or stilches of existence, nishedhe. So by rejecting, by inquiring them into, understanding them and removing the feeling of this is this I am, that misapprehension of these layers being self. So by rejecting the feeling of self in all these 5, tan nishedhavadhihi. So what is used to reject, what is rejecting all these 5? Tan nishedha avadhihi sakshi, which is witnessing this rejection, which is witnessing all these things. Bodharupaha, the primal awareness, consciousness, pure consciousness. Bodharupaha, kevala vijnana, objectless consciousness. Avasishyate, that will remain. So there is somebody who is observing, drashta is there, which is seeing all these 5 koshas, which are drusya. These are temporary, transforming, anatma. All 5 are rejected. All 5 are inquired into and rejected. This is the process of Panchakosha Vichara. Now, Guru makes a statement. With that, we will close today's reading. Yo yamatma swayam jyotihi panchakosha vilakshanaha avasthatraya sakshi sannirvikaro niranjanaha sadanandaha savigneyaha swatmatvena vipaschita yaha avasishyate ayam atma swayam jyotihi. What remains after rejecting all these 5 layers? I am that Atma Swayam Jyotihi, which is self-effulgent. Panchakosha Vilakshanaha, different, distinct from these 5 koshas. Avasthatraya Sakshi, which is the witness or experience, which is seeing the experiences, changing experiences in waking, dreaming and deep sleep states. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptavastha, Sakshi, Sun, which is the Sat, which is not rejected by anybody, cannot be rejected by any of these. Sarvada Nirvikaraha, untransforming, not changing, not even changing a little bit. Niranjanaha, not touching any of these defects, any of this temporary nature, not touched by any of this temporary nature. Sadanandaha, eternally blissful. Sadanandaha, Saha, that Atma, Vipaschita, one who has understood, realized the nature, Swatmatvena Vijñeyaha. This, anyone who realizes it, he will be that Swatma, Swaswarupa, true nature. Anybody's true nature is this alone. That Swayanjyoti Panchakosha Vilakshanaha Avastatraya Sakshi Sat Nirvikaro Niranjanaha Sadanandaha Sa Vijñeyaha Swatmatvena Swaatmatvena Vipaschita. One who has done this spiritual seeking. This is the end of 45th topic in Viveka Chudamani. With this, we will close today's reading. Swasti.